If you've been thinking about starting a lifestyle vlog channel, you probably looked into equipment you need, and let me tell you, it gets pretty pricey. But what most successful YouTubers don't want you to know is you can actually make high quality vlogs with just your phone and maybe a few attachments to go with it. There are so many projects shot on phones, particularly iPhones, but if you read the fine print, additional lighting and mounting equipment used. So if you think you'll be able to shoot your next vlog straight from your iPhone and win an Oscar, it probably won't work. But you can get extra stuff like lenses, microphones, and even stabilizers for your cell phone to make your video and picture quality better. So my friends over at Movo sent me their wide angle, telephoto, and fisheye clip lens along with their microphone to see if I could shoot a high quality vlog with these lenses and this setup. One of the biggest issues when it comes to vlogging with your cell phone is the inability to see what you're vlogging when using the rear facing camera, because unlike on a actual vlogging camera or a DSLR, you do not have a viewfinder, which is really important when you are vlogging because you want to see that you're in frame and that you're not cutting off your head or anything else. So right away, when using the Movo ultra wide clip lens, it fixed that by capturing more of my surroundings, making it easier to vlog without worrying if I was in the shot or not. Now, even if you aren't vlogging yourself and you just want to capture what's around you, using the lenses gives you the ability to either zoom in with the telephoto lens, which gives you a close-up without having to walk to a different location, or you can widen your shot with the ultra wide lens, which gives your viewers a more immersive viewing experience, and it can feel like they're there with you, which is the key to engaging vlogs. Now, I definitely found the wide angle lens to be my favorite, and it even gave me a wider field of view than my actual Canon vlogging camera. And when it came to the image quality, I found that it was similar to that of my Canon, although the Canon stabilization is better, which is something the lens has nothing to do with. So that's just something you're going to get. If you are a phone vlogger, you may not have the same stabilization as you have with an actual vlogging camera. Now, one of the things you need to be aware of when using this, and something that was a bit of a downfall, is the fact that if the lens was not placed onto the camera perfectly, it did give a bit of distortion around the outside of the image. So you may need to play with it, kind of tap it slightly just to make sure that the clip lens is on the phone perfectly right in center. So this way it gives you a nice field of view, nice clear quality without any type of distortion or any warping around the edges. Also, since it is a clip lens, when walking I did find that it did move slightly, which wasn't that big of a deal, but again, just be cautious. Always check the image quality before shooting, especially if you're shooting with the rear facing camera and you're trying to vlog yourself. As for the fisheye lens, I don't see me ever using this for filming unless I'm shooting a 90s music video, but it can come in handy if you are just taking photos. It gave me more of a panoramic feel and it fit way more of my surroundings into the frame than when I wasn't shooting with the fish lens. You can also use the wide angle lens to take a group photo or just capture a wider field of view. Or of course you can take it with the telephoto lens, which is going to zoom things in if you want to shoot something close up. So this can be used for vlogging and for photos as well. Now overall, I found the lenses to be pretty easy to use and they did conveniently fit into my pocket. So I just kind of clipped them on while I was walking around the strip. This way I can just easily switch throughout the lenses without having to pause and take everything out of my backpack all over again. So if you are looking for something that is high quality, that's going to replace your DSLR or your vlogging camera, this is probably not going to be it, as the only thing that's going to be as high quality as a DSLR or vlogging camera is a DSLR or vlogging camera. But for a new YouTuber or someone who's just looking for a convenient and budget-friendly vlogging setup for your cell phone, I definitely say getting these lenses is going to be a great place to start, especially if you want to get the microphone to go with it. All right, and if you're wondering, Movo does have a microphone, so I actually have that right now. It is a wireless lavalier mic, so this is what it sounds like outside. And if I take it off, you can definitely see the difference in the sound quality. Okay, we're gonna walk backwards with the baby. I am testing the range, so it's 200 feet. I don't know. I'm not counting feet, so let's just see. You should still be able to hear very well. Is that 200 feet? My husband is holding the camera. I don't know. We'll see. I actually don't know how this sounds, so we'll see what it looks like afterwards. So if you are looking for a phone vlogging setup and some accessories to go with it, like lenses to help the quality of your vlogging and photos look better, I'll go ahead and link the lenses and my microphone in the description box below. And of course, you can check out this video next to see the entire Movo iVlog setup, which is going to come with the handheld grip that I use to vlog the videos that you saw today. Now, get out there, make some content, and let's grow together.